for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Artie, what are you looking at? Artie.
Oh. Wow.
Hello. Today we're going to draw one of your favourite things, a robot. I know you like robots.
Yeah.
Hi, kids. Did you guys bring your paper and your markers?
Ready to draw a robot? Go and get lots of colour markers.
Do you think Artie is figuring out what he is going to draw today? It's a lovely day to create some art.
Do you have your marker pens? And your paper? Well then, let's begin. Let's draw a slightly curved line along the top. That's a great start. Now let's do two little lines, one on the left and one on the right. That's correct. Great. Join those together with a smiley shape. Then do another line underneath. And let's show some teeth. Some robot teeth. Now let's join the ends to the top of the head. Left side. And right side. Now we're going to do the jaw, or the bottom of the face. Left and right, and join it together with a straight line. Let's draw a half circle on the top. Now let's do two circles at the top, at the very top of the page. Just there, Artie. A little circle. And then connect that to the half circle on the head. That's the antennae. Now we can do the right one and connect that also to the top of the head. Let's do some eyes. We'll do two circles. Let's do the first circle, quite large. That's right. And then do a smaller circle inside that one. Perfect job, Artie. Now let's do the same on the right eye. Big circle and a smaller circle inside. Very good. Let's do his neck. Let's do two lines straight across. 1, 2, and then a half circle on top. That's the top half of his body. Now let's do a half circle at the bottom, and that's the bottom half of his body. You want a colour break? Colour break. Okay, we can have a colour break.
Hello, little artists. It's time for Betty Brush's Color Break. Today's color is one of my favorite colors, green. Green is a color found in nature, such as grass and leaves. Green is also the color of my favorite vegetables, sprouts, lettuce, bell peppers, and broccoli. Green is also the color of the stripes on Artie's shirt.
Colour break, colour break. Okay, enough about the colour green. Shall we carry on working?
Okay.
Let's give our robot some hands. Some robot-y mechanical hands. That's a perfect shape, Artie. And then let's connect it to the body with some wiggly lines. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Now let's connect the wiggles with little straight lines. Time for another robot hand on the right side. And the arms. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And let's connect the wiggles with lots of little straight lines. let's do some big robot shoes. One on the left. Let's do a half circle and then connect it with 2 lines. Lots of little lines at the bottom. Now let's do the other shoe. Half circle, line across, and another line, and then lots of little lines connecting the 2. Time for some wiggly legs. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And let's connect the wiggles with lots of little straight lines to make a whole leg. Same on the left side. Some of our wiggles. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And then connect them together to make a whole left leg. Our robot has funny legs. Let's do some bolts of electricity coming from our robot to show that he's fully charged and he's got lots of power. Maybe one last one at the bottom. He looks like he's dancing. You're finished? I think he looks fantastic, Artie. A dancing electric robot.
Do you think he should color it in now, little artists?
You finished?
Yeah. Wee!
I think you did a great job, Artie. I love the shades of blue you used and the yellow for the sparks.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, it's cool. I don't know where to start. This boy sure can create some art.
Yes, he can, Mikey.
Bye.
Time to say goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Have a creative day, little artists.